part 4. I have looked for the Yig Yang.
Do not kill this cup.
So yeah. Okay, here's the Yig Yang. Here's the other ones. Let's open it. That's my friend right there. This guy and this guy. What did you throw? Oh well, I got the Yig Yang. Oh my goodness. Let's open this one. If we have time. Yeah, we have a couple seconds. Let's open it. Oh, I might get more tomorrow. Here's this freak guy again. And I'm going to show you these two next episode. Okay? Bye.